Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best LEGO tank is probably one of the most detailed and engaging building block sets available. This model of the M1A2 Abrams tank offers an immersive building experience, allowing you to recreate an iconic piece of military history. From its intricate design to the satisfying process of assembling each component, this set promises hours of enjoyment for both experienced builders and newcomers alike. Number 5. dOvOb Army Tank Building Block, 1080 PCS. This incredible building block set offers two exciting ways to play. You can assemble it into a detailed tank or create 6 different shapes. It's a versatile toy that provides endless fun. Based on the iconic Abrams tank, this model boasts a 1/30 scale, meticulously recreating every detail. The features will immerse you in the experience. Building this tank requires focus, as it's easy to miss small parts. It's a great exercise for developing patience and fine motor skills, especially for children. Once assembled, the tank measures over 12.6 inches long, 5 inches wide, and 7.8 inches high. It's a substantial model that will make a statement. Build your own military team by combining this set with other military series toys. Let the adventures begin and create epic battles. If you find any missing pieces, don't worry. Simply contact the seller, provide details of the missing parts, and they will send them to you immediately. We are here to help. What we like. This model offers a unique 6-in-1 design, providing multiple ways to play. The detailed design makes it immersive. If you are looking for a toy that can stimulate your child's creativity and patience, this is a great choice. What people say. All parts are quality made, and always fun to build LEGO sets with my son. My 7-year-old son and I enjoyed building this set, and the finished product is very cool. Number 4. Feleph M1A2 Tank Set Military Model Kit. This incredible set is perfect for model enthusiasts. It comes with over 1463 pieces, offering a challenging and rewarding building experience. Get ready to create something amazing. This set offers a unique 2-in-1 design. You can choose to build either an armored vehicle at 1/18 scale or a M1A2 tank at 1/28 scale. The choice is yours. Before you begin, make sure to check all the pieces and the instructions. If you need any help, don't hesitate to reach out to us through the buyer-seller messaging system. We're here to assist you. Made with premium ABS plastic, this model kit boasts great details. It includes many small pieces, so it will take some time to assemble. The final product will be worth the effort. The tank features many movable joints. It has a 360-degree rotating fort turret with an adjustable main gun, movable side gates, and a front gate. You can customize it to your liking. What we like. With the 2-in-1 design, you can build different vehicles. The movable joints add to the realism. If you enjoy model challenges and appreciate adjustable features, this set is perfect for you. What people say. Tank is big and can roll around and move. Top part turns 360, very nice and detailed tank. The bricks are made well and the model is very detailed. Number 3. HengLong 116 M1A2 Abrams Tank, 360 degrees turret. This tank features an upgraded steel gear gearbox. This enhancement makes the tank more wear-resistant, significantly extending its service life. It's built to last. The tank is equipped with metal tracks, sprocket wheels, and idle wheels. These metal components provide increased durability and a more realistic look. This upgrade enhances the overall performance. Enjoy the fully functional 360-degree rotating turret. This feature allows the tank to aim in any direction. The electric slip rings are handmade and installed for smooth operation. It includes a powerful 3,800 mAh rechargeable NMH battery. This high-capacity battery provides extended playtime. You'll have more time to enjoy the tank's features. Experience realistic sounds with the modified sound box. Handmade and installed, it provides authentic engine and cannon sounds. These sounds add to the immersive experience. What we like. This tank model features an upgraded steel gear gearbox and metal tracks for enhanced durability. The 360-degree rotating turret adds to the realism. If you are looking for a remote control tank with superior performance and realistic features, you should consider this one. What people say. This thing is built well, very detailed and fun to play around with. It assembles pretty easy and works great, very detailed and also a decent size. The metal tracks, drive idler wheel are great. It did come with the 3800 mAh rechargeable battery and the AA batteries for the remote, a few BBs and the smoke liquid. The details are great. The sound effects are realistic and change with the speed of every operation you're doing. Number 2. Battle Brick Tan M1 Abrams Tank Custom Set. Introducing the Battle Brick Custom Set. This is a hand-sorted set made with genuine bricks. You can build your own tank with this set. This tank features a rotating turret and a posable main gun. It allows you to adjust the angle. It's a great feature for play. The set includes one custom minifigure. It is designed to fit perfectly with the tank. It will be a great addition to your collection. The set comes with printed step-by-step instructions. They are easy to follow, guiding you through the building process. You will have no problem to build it. This custom set is made with genuine bricks from M1A2 company in Denmark. It ensures the quality and durability of the set. You can enjoy it for a long time. What we like. This custom set is made with genuine bricks. It features a rotating turret and includes a custom minifigure. If you like unique, custom-built models with added playability, this is a great choice. What people say. Love it, is good for display and good for stop motion. ILLA Montia says Facilement. Number 1. Battle Brick Ultra M1A2 Abrams Tank Custom Set. Introducing the Battle Brick Ultra M1A2 Abrams Main Battle Tank Custom Set. This impressive set is made with genuine bricks, offering a unique building experience. It's perfect for enthusiasts aged 16 and up. This custom set includes a total of 745 pieces. It comes in 2 boxes, carefully hand-sorted to ensure quality. You'll find everything you need to build this detailed tank. This set is made with 615 genuine bricks from M1A2 company in Denmark. It's a custom set, not a factory-made item. The quality and detail are exceptional. Included are 130 custom tread links and 2 customized genuine minifigures. The minifigures feature a custom 4-sided OCP camo print. They add an extra layer of realism to the model. The set comes with printed step-by-step instructions. They guide you through the building process, making it easy to assemble this impressive tank. Enjoy the build. What we like. This Ultra M1A2 Abrams set is a custom build with a high piece count. It includes custom minifigures with unique camo prints. If you are a serious collector or want a challenging build with exclusive features, you should consider this one. What people say. You'll love all the details of this well-designed kit. Looks amazing on the shelf. Very well done. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.